Hello guys and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set your availability or switch on your availability on and off on Fiverr. So the first thing you have to do is go to sign into your Fiverr account and then click on dashboard here. So once you've clicked on your dashboard, you can just scroll down to this is it, set your availability. Click on it and then you can schedule your unavailable dates. While unavailable, your gigs are hidden and you will not receive new orders. During this time, you can still message buyers with active orders. So you can choose the dates you'll be unavailable, and your message will be limited. Like you can only see, you can set any of these to make sure you are not available on these dates. And then once you've done that, you can click on confirm dates. But since I do not want that, I will just leave it, which means now that I am very much available and I'm ready to work. But if I do not want that, I can click on it and then choose the dates I'll not be available, and then send a message and confirm the dates. So that's it guys. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.